going to be very specific with prompts. I'm going to be very specific on different capabilities of different services as well. And I'm going to give you a lot of great resources. So let's clarify first, what is prompt engineering? So when we think of prompt engineering, we want to think about it as, really simply put, an approach that we use to take our thoughts, to take our ideas and have it translated via AI services. This is through large language models. As an example, we want to think about prompts as a way that we could request or instruct the AI model to provide us the content, the results that we expect. So the more detailed that we are, the better results. Think about it as if you had children, and those children will clean the room when you ask them. However, if we're not specific with the children, then guess what? They'll probably clean, but it'll be their way. Their understanding of clean will be different than yours. No different with AI services. We have to be really specific. Assign a role. Assign a very specific task. For example, so if I ask ChatGPT to create a blog about AI services, well, it will do that. But it probably won't give us what we're thinking. On the other hand, if we're not sure what exactly we want, then prompting ChatGPT or any other generative AI services at a high level is a great way for you to start learning, to start thinking about how you could prompt to be more specific about what you're looking for. I want to ask it to create a blog post about AI services, but I want it to be more specific. So I'm going to say, create a 1,000 word blog post about, let's say, AI security services that protect our home network. Okay, so that is somewhat more specific than just a post about AI. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the prompt, and you can see there that the title is very different. It is actually being very specific to the devices that we have in our home as an example. In summary, we could think of prompt engineering as a way that as a content creator, we could use our creativity in our minds and be able to translate that capability into an AI model, AI services, and it really bridges the gap, for example, between human intent and AI capabilities. It's going to allow you to communicate effectively with these AI tools. Let's move to the next lesson.